sneeze during National Anthem. Yes, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. One thing, don't hesitate to subscribe, tap on the post notification bell for more updates to come. So in today's video, Prince George battles a sneeze during National Anthem. So Prince George deserves a medal for the level of self-control he held on to that sneeze through the entry of God Save the King, and only let it out once it was over. Impeccable timing. So Nathan also coming in to say William and his family radiant happiness to the people, and perhaps they even receive a touch of magic from heaven from Lady Diana, who is overjoyed. And I saying brilliant. I think he looks just like the dad. And I saying beautiful family. And I saying real future king. Salute. So what do you think about this? Like, comment, like, share, and also subscribe. Bye.